Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We hope you're having a great summer so far. It's in another good week. Hopefully you're doing everything that you wanted to do. Get your last dibs on suntans because the pumpkin march has begun. Since early August, companies have been releasing their fall lines. Now, maybe we just want to get the heck out of this year because it's been so crazy, but I had to fight it off for a while. We're going to double down on all things pumpkin, on flour, eggs, and yeast. So if you don't like pumpkin, like the video and subscribe. And if you do like pumpkin, do the exact same thing. But let us know in the comments where you fall in the pumpkin beer, pumpkin bread, pumpkin cake, pumpkin lattes, everything. Everything and anything with pumpkin. You like it, let us know. If you hate it, let us know. No big deal. No feelings will be hurt. Oktoberfest beers are out. But before we get to those, Shipyard Pumpkinhead. This is a really nice ale that is made with wheat. So it's a crisp wheat ale. We're going to just get this thing open here. Yeah, you get a little bit of smell from, it's like a cinnamon or a nutmeg. It's very subtle. You can definitely, it smells very yeasty, like bready, so that's good. Let's take a quick sip of this. Yeah, it's crisp. It's definitely not overbearing. It's not sweet at all, which is nice. And it doesn't taste like a pumpkin pie, which is also nice. Just has that really fall, very subtle flavor to it. So 4.5% alcohol, so not too bad for a pumpkin beer. The company has some really nice marketing up there. Love the Sleepy Hollow reference. Shipyard is actually from Portland, Maine. So East Coast beer, great water up in Maine. And they say the best way to enjoy it is in a pint glass that has cinnamon and sugar rim. So that's what we did here. You can buy cinnamon sugar at your local grocery market already pre-mixed. If not, I think it's like a 3-to-1 ratio of cinnamon to sugar will give you the right profile. So as we watch that, look nice and golden. You see it's very, very well... Very well done. Oh, now you start to smell like that baked pumpkin pie with the cinnamon and the sugar. You could just smell it coming up through from the hops into the head of the beer. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that maybe mixing this with a whipped cream flavored vodka or even a rum, or even just a vanilla vodka that, if you have flavored vodkas that you don't know what to do with, make a good sidecar for this, or drop the shot in and chug it. Let's give it a moment here to go ahead and settle out. Serves best at around 50 degrees, but, we're not going to put a thermometer in there. Let's just give it a try. I can't wait. Yeah, that's completely different. That is unique. I like it. The cinnamon sugar is really bringing out additional flavor in here. Just really intensifying that crispness. Not bitter at all. This is good. This is actually, I'm not mad at this at all. Bring on more pumpkin items like this. Yeah. That's going to be a good one. So as it gets cooler and we start thinking about campfires and sitting outside, this beer is going to really lend itself well to other things that we like to eat, in the fall. So Shipyard Pumpkinhead beer, I'm highly rating it. I would also visit this brewery if you have a chance to get up to Maine before the weather gets too bad. So you probably got a couple of months yet. Pack some sweaters for at night. It's pretty far north. But overall, high quality product. They have a number of beers that they put out, so it's not just Pumpkinhead. Although obviously with marketing and the way it looks, it really captures your eye, so you'll probably notice them more. But you know, pick up a bottle or a 6-pack. If you go up to Portland, don't bring your growler. They can only fill their own growlers for you. If you don't know what that is, we'll cover that in another video. But I'm pretty sure you guys know what a growler is. If not, again, you know, we'll cover it. But the laws there say that they can only fill their own growlers. So pretty important. When I go to a brewery, I like to bring my own sometimes, fill it up, and take it home. So don't do that. And, you know, I'm glad to be getting a buzz with your cuz today, and you should be too. Again, consume responsibly, like and subscribe. Don't drink if you're under 21 or whatever the legal limit is. I realize some people watch this from around the world, and the drinking ages are different there. I think our friends in Germany, it's like 16 or something. So depending on where you live, follow all the rules, blah, 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 blah. But don't forget to catch with a buzz at your cuz. Subscribe, tune in next time. We got some new stuff coming in. And I think you guys should be as excited as we are to deliver the content for you to consume.